Hey everyone, so this is the article in UZLA, The Good and the Bad. Studies look at the influence of social media on teens. So here we have Dr. Drew Patey is an expert on teenagers. He helps teens who feel sad or worried. He also speaks with their parents. One thing comes up all the time, Dr. Patey says. People are worried about sites like Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat. They wonder if they are bad for teens. Such sites are known as social media. They let people connect through messages and posts. Many parents say their children are always on social media. They wonder if that is healthy. Too much use can be bad for teenagers. Teenagers say the sites often make them unhappy. For example, they worry about not looking good in photos. They wonder why their friends seem so much happier than them. Scientists are trying to find out if social media can be bad for teens. So far, the picture is unclear. Studies have shown that social media use has a bad effect on some young people. It can cause worrying and feelings of depression. It can also make it hard to fall asleep. Not healthy for some teens, experts say. Depression is like sadness. It is more serious than sadness, though. When someone is depressed, they have trouble feeling happy. They might feel unable to control their mood. They might have trouble sleeping. Depression is often not caused by social media. It is a health problem having to do with the brain. Still, social media can make depression worse. For example, scientists say social media can give teens a poor body image. People with a poor body image worry about how they look all the time. This is unhealthy. Comparing yourself to others on social media sites. The body image problem is greatest for teen girls. They see endless photos of perfect bodies on sites like Instagram and Snapchat. Many of the photos are digitally changed. They make people look perfect. The images are fake though. No one is perfect in real life. Teen girls can feel ugly in comparison. Photos are not the only problem. Words can be a problem too, says Dr. Patey. Teens may think comments about them when they aren't, or they may not realize someone is only joking. People can get into online fights. Some teens spend way too much time on social media. They end up missing sleep. Their schoolwork can slip. All that can cause worry or depression. Social media can be useful too. Social media use can also help teens though. Some scientists say it can give them a place to talk about their problems. It can let them just be themselves. For some teens, social media uses causes too many problems. Dr. Patey says they may need to give it up completely. Some teens just need to spend less time on the sites. They may also need to stick to a small group of friends. Other teens use social media well. For them, the sites are simply fun. It's different for every teen, Dr. Patey says.